of real estate promotion and advertisement. Welcome friends. In this video, we will learn about advertising and strategy making in real estate. Before we begin, let's walk through a quick intro of real estate and history. Introduction. In the early 1900s, real estate marketing was a small-scale industry with bare minimum advertisements. Real estate promotion ran on word-of-mouth marketing. That is, people used to approach local builders and society directly to buy houses. However, in the age of internet, content is king and reaching out to potential customers at the right place and right time is quite important. Advertisement is investment. Advertisement of real estate through the right channels is the best investment one can make. Potential clients, target audience are families, agents, traders, developers, and consultants. Newspapers and websites often have eye-catching ads of housing projects because that's where the potential clients spend the most time. Well-placed and correct content. A well-placed ad with the correct content can reap rich dividends and increase sales. Criteria. There are three basic criteria of advertisement in real estate: media planning, promotional literature, project promotion. Strategies in real estate advertising. The core of the strategies involved in real estate advertising addresses three fundamental questions. They are: how? How do we market our property? When? When do we approach the potential customers? Where? Where do we promote our property? Addressing these three questions solves the problems in real estate advertising. Strategies in real estate advertising. The basic strategies and steps involved in real estate advertising are budgeting, putting the correct content, selecting the correct media, selecting media agency. Strategies in real estate advertising. Selecting the correct media agency. If you're planning to create and promote ads for your real estate agency or company, it is wise to take help of the experts. Certain media agencies specialize in creating ads specially for the real estate sector. The correct agency will customize advertisements according to your business philosophy and the type of project. A real estate marketing agency will prepare practical, result-oriented campaigns specifically for your target audience and in the budget. Selecting the correct media. There is an abundance of media portals to advertising. Selecting the right option makes all the difference. For real estate advertisement, the medias include newspapers, hoardings, real estate magazines, internet, sponsorship of events. Putting the correct content. A good advertisement provides crisp information with a call to action. Layouts and copies should have carefully constructed content that delivers maximum information in small spaces. Catchy phrases, graphics, and bright colors makes a world of difference. It is detailed and provides all information a customer can need before making a decision. Important information to be covered is project location, amenities, surrounding infrastructure, distance from station, market, schools, etc. The basic checklist remains same for all projects. All MVPs and plus points must be highlighted in simple language. 7 elements of a good retail ad. It makes an offer. It justifies the offer. There is an element of urgency. It contains an illustration or a detailed image. It provides the benefits, advantages, sale copy associated with a project. It provides a strong identification, brand association with a value such as trust, honesty, or reliability. It includes a positioning statement. Budgeting. A good budget includes taking into account the cost of advertisements and sales promotions at different avenues. It includes taking into account of things such as leaflets, catalogs, and sales promotions at exhibitions and sponsorship events. The correct budget is like a perfect spoonful of sugar in a tea. When it is done right, it makes the tea taste perfect. Internet marketing. Advertising via internet takes up major part of marketing, be it social media, via videos, personal company website, influences, or real estate related applications. Internet helps to deliver information throughout the world in a matter of seconds. It also facilitates actual transactions, reducing the market cost drastically. With right information, original project images, customer reviews and ratings, the organizations can create authentic brand value on internet. It is a major trust building factor for gaining loyal followers and customers. Conclusion. Advertising is an important factor in real estate business of 21st century. Brand sells. If your project is exposed to the public repeatedly, it takes shape of a brand. It can also be achieved by sponsoring some events by your organization. Banners displayed at promotional events or on the roads, content in newspapers, social media marketing, online videos of projects, interaction with your audience, etc. will catch attention of a large number of people in a decent span of time. Your organization will become an authentic brand. Promotion and advertising through a real estate agency is a strong business strategy for sales. This is why promotion and advertising through a real estate agency for real estate industry is now a strong business strategy for sales if done right. Summary. Real estate ads can be promoted via different media. Selecting the correct one and promoting it helps vastly with advertisement. A great copy with the 7 essential elements makes for a great ad. Understanding the media plan, strategies for promotion, and budgeting are basics of real estate promotion and advertisement.